The software itself can be found on our Goldencare agent website. So goldencareagent.com. On the home screen, you'll find the software download under resources. Download quoting software, and there is a special menu item for the Mutual of Omaha software. There is some basic information at the top, and there is a form to complete to request the software. It isn't much. The required fields are only those with the red stars. And once you get past this, you'll be able to see the link where you would be able to download the software. So I'm just quickly filling in the information. There is actually another website I will show you as well that would give you the same download. There are really two options, but this one's the first. Once you hit submit, like I said, the next screen form, you'll actually see the latest version number. This blue button is where you would download now. There are very basic instructions, but I'll actually walk through the process with you now. Now, I am actually using Google Chrome, and when the downloads finish, they actually show up along the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead, and this one was successful. I'll go ahead and show you that second website you can visit where you can also access and find the exact same software download. It is, I would recommend entering it directly in your browser's address bar. MutualLTCquote.com. If you put that in a search engine, typically you're going to be sorting through a couple different things before you find our actual page. This is actually what Mutual of Omaha uses. Besides that basic information, name, email, state, it doesn't have you go through any type of login or multi-factor authentication. So there are actually two ways to find the MutualCare solution software, and it's relatively easy to find and download. So I will go ahead and open in a folder, and I always run my software as an administrator, and this allows for the software to run as designed. Even if you don't run as an administrator, it usually works fine. But with newer computers, it's always a wise idea to try and do that if and when possible. So you'll see a number of different pop-ups. Because of the type of file it is, I can tell you that sometimes newer operating systems do bring up a warning about it being an executable file, and that there is a small potential it could harm your computer. I will let you know it will not harm your computer. The MutualCare solution software, it was actually designed by Goldencare and our sister company, which you'll see here, American Independent Marketing. They're based out of Yakima, Washington. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And this is where it will actually walk through some of those additional pop-up boxes. There's a progress bar, and usually it downloads fairly quickly. So you just follow the prompts. You do agree to terms of use. And if you do have multiple users, this could be because my laptop has a little bit older operating system, but anyone who uses the computer. And then this is where it is actually going to be installing the program. So again, it just depends on your internet speed, but it should be fairly quick. And generally it's open immediate, or there's a button on the final screen that would allow you to open immediately after completing the download. So as you can see, that whole process, we've already got the software here, and it gave me a brand new icon on my desktop.
For more fast facts, visit our website at goldencareagent.com.